Good morning, children. Hope you are all doing good. I hope first video you have understood the whatever I taught you. So let's without wasting any time, let's begin with the second part, that is the next page of the syllabus, that is from first lesson our family. Next one is motherhood. I told you in the next class we are going to teach you about the motherhood. A mother is who possesses a natural ability to nurse the babies, and they understand everything they needs to their babies. Means if you are in a baby, when from the baby to the adult, when you keep on growing, your mother knows you about everything. Whenever you are in a child, you are in a baby. Whenever you cry, she knows everything about what you want. Okay, so the mother everything gives before you tell her. She understands by the feelings of your mother childhood things. So motherhood is that feeling or the emotional feelings which she understand and give to their babies. So by the all mother always knew what you all needed. From the way you cried, and she could never know whether you are hungry, you are warm or wet, you are in a baby, you might have been doing many things, right? She understands everything about that, and she always spoke to you softly. She don't angry on you when you are, especially when you are a baby. Everything she will be speaking in a soft manner, so that you will be understanding every part of their life, and she will be feeling you secure for every day and every part of the life. Always you will be feeling safe in your mother womb, and also when you come out you will be feeling very safe when you stays nearby your mother, right? So like that, I told you with the humans, animals also lay their young ones, right? So like that, the animals give birth to the young ones. They feed, they protect. How the mother will be doing to the child, how the giving their feeding, everything. She will taking care of everything, no? Like that, animals also do care of their babies. When they leave the young ones, they feed them, they take care of them. They know everything about the babies, right? So some animals like dogs, cats, hear this clearly. Some animals like dogs, cats directly give birth to their babies, right? They don't lay eggs or something, directly give birth to the babies. And some animals like birds, fishes, snakes and tortoises, which will be laying the eggs. There are the animals which lay babies also and eggs also. So which are the animals which lay eggs? They are birds, fishes, snakes, tortoise. These are all fishes, everything. These are all lay the eggs, and which from the babies which will be come out of the few days. From the egg, after that, after some few days, the babies will be coming out. So this is the part of the how the babies will be growing. Different animals, humans, everything we have covered now. You know about the family now. What is a big family? What is a joint family? And what is mother? How she understands? Who will be nursing you? Nursing means taking care of you, your mother, right? So this all we have studied. After that, some animals who lay eggs and who lay babies. Next one is adopting a child. Next we will be moving on to the child. Adopting child is what? Now you are with a family. Okay, your mother will be keeping a friend, so that a baby is coming. So all will be living together. That is a family. But some are there who don't have parents. Some parents are there who don't have children. Okay, for them they need some children to adopt a child. Means they will be going to the Anath Ashram or something like that. There will be some babies will be there. They will be bringing the babies to the home, and they will be adopted child for them. And every child needs to love and support for your family. From your family, what you need is love and support. Some children lose the parents in the natural disasters like tsunami, earthquake and floods, right? The natural disaster is what? Which we don't want it to happen. Means it will be happening by the environment, atmosphere. Whenever some mismanagement or some inequality in the environment is there, like the over of pollution, like that, cutting down of trees. So like that, many if you do like that, what will be happening? These tsunami will be coming, earthquakes may come, and some floods also. What is flood? Flood is overflow of water to the near to the entire house will be in the water, like that. Floods will be coming in the entire area. So these are the natural disasters. So at this time, some may lose their children. The parents may lose their children, or some children may lose the parents also. So some due to these diseases, so such children are often adopted by the people who cannot have the children by their own. So some don't have the blessings from the God that they don't get the children from their parents, right? So they don't get the children. What they do? They will be adopting a child. They love these children and fulfill all the physical and mental emotional needs, and such parents are called as foster parents. What they are called? They are called foster parents. Means they are adopting a child and they'll be taking care of everything for them. So even physically, mentally, for education, everything they'll be taking care. So such parents are called as foster parents. This is all about the lesson, children. So just once again I'll revise some questions for you. What is the family? A family is a group of people who are related to one another and live together. Next, in a nuclear family, only one set of parents will be living together. In a joint family, more than one set of parents and the children will be living together. The process by which living beings produce of their own same kind. Remember this, same kind will be reproduced. So that is called as reproduction. Like human beings, animals also give birth to their young ones. Okay. So this is all about the lesson. We have finished the lesson, and just see the 2 videos of the first lesson and understand it clearly by seeing slowly the video, and whatever I told you in the app, I told you to write the homework, classwork, everything. We have uploaded the pictures of the classwork for you. That one should be wrote in the classwork also, and in the homework I told you to write from first page and second page. Some questions are you made and given. That also you have to search the answers and write. Read that properly and write. Okay. Thank you.